Yeah, please start.
Yeah, thank you. Day 3, monitoring your self-talk. Today, you learn more about changing the messages you give yourself, clearing out negative thoughts from the past so you can live in the present moment.
Okay, pause. So I want everyone to just start, just look at yourself. I mean, not in the mirror or something. Just look into your life and just think, what are the kind of messages you keep giving to yourself throughout the day? What is it that you keep saying to yourself? और कब से चल रहा है ये कब से चल रहा है फ्रॉम द वेरी आई मीन जब से मैं याद करूं तो मुझे तो लगता है मैं अपने आप से यही कहती रहती हूँ कि तुझे अकल नहीं आनी है, यू नॉट स्मार्ट, देख लोग कितना अच्छा कर लेते हैं, पता नहीं तुझे क्यों नहीं आता है, या लोग कितना मेहनत थोड़ी सी करते हैं और कितना पैसा कमा लेते हैं, पता नहीं तुझे तुझे क्यों नहीं आता पैसा संभालना, कभी सीखा ही नहीं है, पता नहीं तुझे कभी आएगा भी कि नहीं आएगा, यू नो एंड why don't people enjoy being with me, why don't people give me that kind of love जो मैं उनको देती हूँ, मुझे क्यों नहीं मिलता, लोग रेसिप्रोकेट क्यों नहीं करते हैं, मैं हमेशा देती ही क्यों रहूं, these kinds of self talk I keep doing with myself, I don't know since how long. अगर कोई अच्छा कर रहा हो तो मैं किसी को सुनती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है ये कितना अच्छा बोल लेता है, ये कितना अच्छा, इसके थॉट्स कितने क्लियर हैं, इसकी लाइक सो आर्टिकुलेट दैट पर्सन इज, मुझे तो कुछ भी नहीं आता है, एंड दिस इज ऑलवेज रनिंग इन माय माइंड. ऐसे आप लोगों के मन में अपने बारे में क्या बातें चलती रहती हैं, दैट यू हैव टू स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट, दैट इज सेल्फ टॉक, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम it is negative, most of the times. Very rarely we start acknowledging ourselves and what we say, देखा मैंने कितना अच्छा किया, मैं भी अच्छा कर सकती हूँ, बहुत कम होता है. Most of the time it is always negative. As far as I am concerned, I'm talking about myself. I really want you, each one of you, to just start looking at it कि आपकी सारा टाइम अपने बारे में क्या बात चलती रहती है, मैं नहीं मैनेज कर सकती इतना सारा काम, मैं नहीं कर सकती, बस इतना ही कर सकती हूँ मैं. This is it. ऐसे हमारे क्या क्या ऐसी कॉन्वर्सेशंस अपने साथ चलती रहती हैं. So that is what we are talking about right now in this book. हाँ जी, बढ़े.
Now that you are on day 3 of your mirror work, you are feeling a closer bond with your friend, your mirror. Each day that you practice mirror work, you may fall in love with yourself a little bit more. Each day, it becomes easier to say your positive affirmations and truly believe them.
Pause. So tell me, since day before yesterday, today is the third day. First day में or second day में, did you find any difference facing the mirror and talking to the mirror? किसी को थोड़ा सा भी difference लगा, या when you started in the morning to say I love you, I really really love you, and when you kept doing it throughout the day, and by the end of the day when you said it again, did you find that you found it easier talking to yourself?
Yes, yesterday, while doing that exercise like 100 times,
Yeah.
you actually started believing that you really love yourself.
Yeah.
Like, hey, Almaz, I really love you. I really, really love you. I'm willing to learn to love you. So when you say that, 100 times it gets imbibed, and you really, your subconscious mind also starts feeling that, yes,
Yeah.
you are in love with yourself.
Yeah. So my question is, when you first looked in the mirror, and the person in the mirror, उसकी आंखों में जब आपने देखा, तब और जब आपने by the end of the day, आपने जब last time before going to bed you said it, Was it any difference? Did you find it more connected to that person and you found it easier talking to that person in the mirror? That is my question.
Yeah. Initially, when on the first day when I started, um, it was a bit difficult to believe that you really love yourself. But when you kept doing that exercise throughout the day till the next day, when you actually said that, it really made that difference and made it believe in yourself. That belief is, you know, got imbibed within us.
हाँ, and mirror के सामने खड़ा होना easy लगने लगा पहले से.
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
So that is what it is talking about, that you are becoming friends with mirror now. And it will be easier for you to say these affirmations in front of the mirror. Yeah. That's what it is saying about it. Yeah, please continue.
Yeah, thank you. The best way to love yourself is to release all the negative messages from your past and live in the present moment. So today, I did like to work with you on changing what I call your self-talk. What you say to yourself in your head. Too often, we accept the early messages from our parents, our teachers, and other authority figures. You were probably told things like, stop crying like a baby, you never clean your room, and why won't you make your bed? And you did what people told you to do in order to be loved. When you were young, you might have gotten the idea that you were acceptable only if you did certain things. Acceptance and love were conditional. However, it bears remembering that others' approval was based on their ideas of what was worthwhile and had nothing to do with your self worth.
Okay, pause. Now, I really want you to start looking at it. कि आपकी लाइफ में आपने कभी अभी जहां पर अभी आप हैं, forget about past, abhi jahan ho, aren't you doing things to please people so that people love you, whether it is at home, whether it is in your neighborhood, whether it is in your community, whether it is in your relationships, or whether it is at work? Aren't you doing things? जैसे ना ट्रांजैक्शनल है, ये करेंगे तो ये मिलेगा.
Yes.
अगर आप बच्चों का ख्याल रखोगे तो बच्चे आपसे प्यार करेंगे. आप अपने हस्बैंड को बहुत ज्यादा केयर करोगे, उनकी हर चीज का ध्यान रखोगे, तो ही विल लव यू और ही विल केयर फॉर यू. सास ससुर की सेवा करोगे तो वो खुश रहेंगे और तुम्हें प्यार करेंगे दूसरी बहू से ज्यादा. अदरवाइज नहीं करेंगे. अदरवाइज दूसरी बहू उनकी फेवरेट होगी, बिकॉज वो उनकी सेवा करती है, या वो उनसे बहुत प्यार से बात करती है, या उनकी बहुत चापलूसी करती है. स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट योर लाइफ, इवन एट वर्क. You do certain things just to please your people around you. It's so transactional. It is so conditional. और ये सब क्यों हुआ? Because that is what we have learned from our life. अब don't go back to the past. आपने बचपन से जो कुछ भी देखा, जो सीखा, आपने यही देखा कि when you do things for people, people admire you, people appreciate you. और उनको वही बच्चा अच्छा लगता है जो काम करता है या उनकी बात मानता है. But that is their idea of a self-worth of a person. कि ये बच्चा अच्छा है because ये कहना मानता है, या ये बच्चा अच्छा है, ये पढ़ाई में बहुत मेहनत करता है, या ये बच्चा अच्छा है, ये कभी किसी चीज के लिए मना नहीं करता है, इसको जो काम करो वो कह दो वो कर देता है, दूसरा बड़ा नखरे करता है. And you started relating to your self-worth from that. Those experiences gave you that this is your self-worth. But that is not true. It's difficult to believe it, right? विश्वास नहीं हो रहा ना? But that is not true. That is what the book is saying. That is what Lucy Hay has experienced and said. That is their idea of self-worth. That is their opinion about self-worth. But that is not the truth. That is not what your self-worth is. And हमने अपनी जिंदगी वैसे ही जी है. हमने अपनी self-worth वैसे ही आंकी है, वैसे ही उसको एनालाइज किया है, वैसे ही हमने उसको जब भी सोचा है कि मेरी सेल्फ वर्थ क्या है, तो हमने उस ही मेजर से उसको देखा है कि मैंने कितना अच्छा किया है, मुझे कितने लोगों ने पसंद किया है, मैंने कितने लोगों को खुश रखा है, या मैं कितने लोगों की फेवरेट हूँ. On the basis of that measurement or that way of checking it, we have actually हमने अपनी सेल्फ वर्थ को आंका है, अपने सेल्फ वर्थ को इवैल्यूएट किया है. But that's not true. That is not true at all. So today is the day to find out what is the best way to find out your self-worth. And this is one of the tools which is going to help us कि वो जो पुराने पैरामीटर्स है ना हमारे सेल्फ वर्थ के, उनको हमने कैसे चेंज करना है, उनको कैसे छोड़ना है, क्योंकि वो हमें they're not serving us, because वो हमें अपने आप से कनेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, उसकी वजह से हम अपने आप से कनेक्ट नहीं हो पा रहे हैं. So how to do that? So let's see what the book says. Yeah, please continue.
These early messages contribute to our self-talk. The way we talk to ourselves inwardly is really important because it becomes the basis of our spoken word. It steps up the mental atmosphere in which we operate and attracts our experiences to us. If we belittle ourselves, life is going to mean very little to us. However, if we love and appreciate ourselves, then life can be wonderful, joyous gift.
Okay, pause. If you read this line again.
Yeah. These early messages contribute to our self-talk. The way we talk to ourselves inwardly is really important because it becomes the basis of our spoken words.
Okay, pause. Whatever we are thinking in our mind is what comes out of our mouth. हम जो अपने बारे में या किसी के बारे में भी सोचते हैं, वो हमारे वर्ड्स के थ्रू हमारे मुंह से बाहर निकलता है. And you know, what we think, what we feel, what we say is what we attract in our lives. हमने ये सीखा है ना मैजिक में. It's the feelings, thought feelings, and the spoken words is what is creating our experiences in life. That is what this book is talking about. Now read the next sentence.
Yeah. I'll continue from the next paragraph, or?
No, it sets up.
Okay. It sets up the mental atmosphere in which we operate and attracts our experiences to us. If we belittle ourselves, life is going to mean very little to us. However, if we love and appreciate ourselves, then life can be wonderful, joyous gift.
Yeah. So the words are different, what the meaning is same. What we have learned in the magic also. कि आप जो सोचते हैं, जो फील करते हैं और जो बोलते हैं, आपका लाइफ का एक्सपीरियंस वैसा ही होता है. That is what you attract into your life. If you belittle yourself, अगर आप अपने आप के बारे में अच्छा नहीं बोलते हो, अपने आप को क्रिटिसाइज करते हो, that is what is you thinking in your mind, and that kind of words will come out of your mouth also. And as I say, your word creates your world. That will give you the kind of experience you have in your life. और अगर आप अपने आप को appreciate करना शुरू कर देते हो, तो life will be wonderful. Joyous gift. I remember I was talking to a friend of mine. मेरे घर में कीर्तन था, तो वो मेरी फ्रेंड आई नहीं. उसका हस्बैंड ना मेरे हर क्लब हाउस वाले उसमें लिख देता कि yes I will be there, and he never comes. So I just called him up. I said, what is the issue यार? अगर नहीं आना होता तो मत लिखा करो that you will come. नहीं नहीं यार, तुझे पता नहीं लाइफ में क्या प्रॉब्लम्स चल रही हैं। सर व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? वो हमारी डॉटर इन लॉ इज एक्सपेक्टिंग, वो पता नहीं कब कब मैसेज आ जाए, कब जाना पड़े जाए, पड़ जाए, कब उसकी तबीयत खराब हो जाए। तो मतलब बहुत एंग्जाइटी, बहुत टेंशन है हर टाइम पे। व्हाट आर यू टॉकिंग? Isn't it something, which everybody look forwards? Or you are not the only person who is having a grandchild for the first time, na? दुनिया भर में लोगों ने बच्चे पैदा किए हैं. What is there to be so anxious about? You won't believe it, उस घर में 4-5 लोग हैं, उसकी लड़की की माँ भी आई हुई है. Everybody is sitting on the edge. ये कब इसकी तबीयत खराब हो गई, हमें भागना पड़ेगा, हमें भागना पड़ेगा. They are living like that. Everything is on hold. घर में. अरे बच्चे ने जब आने तो आएगा. And then in today's world, everything is available ना यार. पहले जमाने में तो चलो घर पे बच्चे पैदा होते थे, दाई ढूंढनी पड़ती थी, जो भी था, तब भी हो जाते थे बच्चे. मतलब इमेजिन करो, एवरीथिंग इज ऑन होल्ड. I mean, on a call also the person is not coming. कि पता नहीं कब उसकी तबीयत खराब हो जाए, भागना पड़ जाए. And that is the kind of anxiety that person has created around him. Yeah. And because of that, घर का पूरा environment, everybody is in that. It's the thought, feelings, and the words he's speaking. He's talking about tension है, बहुत मतलब इतनी anxiety हो रही है ना घर में. I said, look at the words you are speaking, यार. When you're speaking anxiety, तो anxiety ही आएगी life में. Why don't you just say, we are looking forward to this beautiful bundle of joy which is going to come in our lives, and we are so happy, and we are so like excited about it. Instead of anxious, why can't you be excited about it? Start looking at your life. Where all are you doing all this? We all are doing it. कहीं ना कहीं हम ऐसा कर रहे हैं. And that is the kind of experience life is giving us. Because our thoughts, our feelings, and our words put together create the experience of our life. So आज के बाद हमने उसको joyous बनाना है. So let's see how do we do that? Okay, please read.
Just one thing I would share. Same feelings we have if you're going to attend an interview, or
Yeah.
if you're going to perform something on the stage, or give a speech on the stage. You have that inner voice saying to you, I cannot do it. How will I perform? Do I look beautiful? So you have that same, will I be able to crack the interview? Same, your inner voice keeps saying to you. So that also a fear that you have inside, it will be overcome with when you say this affirmations.
Yeah. So I just want to share here. When I started this book, I didn't know anything about this book. I read it, 2-3 chapters before starting it. I have not read the whole book. And when I started this, मुझे लग रहा था मुझसे नहीं होगा. मुझे तो पता ही नहीं इसमें करना क्या है. I don't know whether I will be able to do it or not. But I just took a plunge. And every day in the morning, when I do my meditation, or when I do my, I just say, मुझे नहीं आता कुछ भी, बुलवा लेना आप. But I am not anxious about it. My throat is not very good right now because I'm still not 100% okay. I don't care how I'm sounding. But this could have been one of the hindrances, na?
Right.
कि मैं नहीं बोल पा रही हूँ ढंग से, मेरी आवाज कितनी गंदी लग रही है, मेरा सर कितना चिपका लग रहा है. I haven't washed my hair and मेरे बाल ऐसे चिपके हुए हैं, मैं कितनी अजीब सी लग रही हूँ on the camera. No.
Right.
I have overcome this. And I have overcome this because of all of you. Because of the magic practices we have been doing. That has given me the courage to start this book. Now, since you have mentioned this, I just wanted to share this. It's the self-talk which I told myself, हो जाएगा. जिसने बोला है करने के लिए, वो करवा भी लेगा. Somebody's guided me to do this, right? And that person or that power will guide me how to do it, how to conduct it. That is the self-talk I told, I did to myself. वो भी सेल्फ टॉक हो सकती थी कि मुझे कुछ नहीं आता, मैं तो कर ही नहीं पाऊंगी, और मेरा तो गला भी पूरी तरह से ठीक नहीं हुआ है, एंड आई एम नॉट लुकिंग वेरी गुड ऑन द स्क्रीन, तो अभी नहीं करती हूँ. I could have done that. But the self-talk I had with myself was, I can do it. वो अपने आप करवा लेंगे मुझसे, जिन्होंने मुझे गाइड किया कि करना है. And when I'm speaking to them, I am not bothered about my voice. Because it is the words, it's the intention with which I'm speaking matters more. That is the self-talk I've told myself, that intention and whatever I'm saying is more important than my voice. Even the self-talk ही है ना. This is also self-talk, but it's a positive self-talk. The other self-talk would have stopped me from taking this on. But this self-talk has given me the opportunity to start it and to be with all of you. So this is also a self-talk. So the kind of self-talk you have with yourself, that is the thought, the feelings, and the word you speak, is giving you the kind of experience you have. It could be miserable, it could be anxiety, or it could be joyful. That is what this paragraph was talking about. Yeah, please continue. Yeah, Almas, please continue.
Yeah. If your life is unhappy or you are feeling unfulfilled, it is very easy to blame your parents or the Almighty them and say it is all their fault. However, if you do that, you will stay stuck in your conditions, your problems and your frustrations. Words of blame will not bring you freedom. Your words have great power, so start listening closely to what you say. If you hear yourself using negative or limiting words, you can change them. If I hear a negative story, I don't go around repeating it to everyone. I like that it has gone far enough and I let it pass. However, if I hear a positive story, I tell everyone. When you are out with other people, really listen to what they are saying and how they are saying it. See if you can connect what they say with what they are experiencing in their lives.
Pause. Yeah. So I just want you to just look at it right now. When it says that whenever you're checking yourself, if you remember, we did this exercise in the magic sessions also about feelings, checking your feelings throughout the day, whether you are on the good feeling zone or the negative feeling zone, and how to switch. And we had different ways of switching it, right? Like listen to music, play with a pet, do something which you really do enjoy doing, So we had already been doing this. Now, what it says is, when somebody is talking about something negative, like I was sharing about this friend of mine and her husband, if I have spoken about it to you, you don't have to go and speak it, repeat it to somebody else. जब हम किसी की कोई नेगेटिव बात किसी आगे या जाकर किसी और को बताने लगते हैं ना, तो चेक योरसेल्फ, क्योंकि अगर वो तुम तक पहुंची है तो ऑलरेडी वो बहुत ट्रैवल कर चुकी है. So don't take it further. But if there is something nice, if there's something good, if you're enjoying this book, if you're enjoying this session, you can share that with people. Your experiences about yourself in the mirror, you can share it with people. That is something nice, something positive, which will touch people. Touch no negativity bhi karegi. But is it worth it? And now onwards, start paying attention to what a person is speaking. आपसे जो कोई बात करता है, दिन भर में हम बहुत लोगों से बात करते हैं, फोन पे भी करते हैं, चैट्स पे भी करते हैं, अदरवाइज पर्सनली भी किसी से बात करते हैं. Just listen to the words that person is speaking. It's going to be like a game, you'll enjoy it. जब आप सुनोगे ना अगला बंदा क्या बोल रहा है, तो आपको पता चलेगा उसका अपनी लाइफ में एक्सपीरियंस कैसा हो रहा होगा, अगर वो ऐसा बोल रहा है तो। अगर कोई बोल रहा है यार लाइफ इज फुल ऑफ चैलेंजेस, यार मैं परेशान हो गया प्रॉब्लम से, लेकिन इमेजिन उसकी लाइफ कितनी प्रॉब्लमैटिक है, उसका एक्सपीरियंस लाइफ को लेके कैसा है। और अगर सब कोई बोल रहा है कि यार व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल डे यार, आज तो मजा आ गया, पूरा दिन कितना बढ़िया गया, तो यू कैन मेक आउट दैट दिस पर्सन हैड अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस with his or her life today. So start connecting with the words people are speaking and the kind of experiences they are having in their life right now. Yeah, it's going to be fun, you know. जब आप ये सब करने लगोगे ना, आपको बहुत मजा आने लगेगा and you will start catching yourself जब आप ऐसा कुछ करने लगोगे. Yeah, please continue.
Many people live their lives in shoulds. Should is a word that my ear is very attuned to. It is as if a bell goes off every time I hear it. I have heard people say it as many as a dozen times in a single paragraph. These same people wonder why their lives are so rigid or why they can't leave a situation. They want to have a lot of control over things they cannot control. They are busy either making someone else wrong or making themselves wrong. You can practice positive self talk during your mirror work, making only positive statements about yourself and repeating only positive affirmations. If any of the negative self talk from your childhood comes up, you can turn it around into a positive statement. For example, you never do anything right could become the affirmation, I am capable person and I can handle anything that comes my way. As you listen to yourself and others, you can become more aware of what you say and how and why you say it. These aware sorry, this awareness will help you change your self-talk into affirmations that will nurture and heal you in body and mind. What a wonderful way to love yourself. Let's affirm. I release all the negative messages from the past. I live in the present moment.
Yeah. Okay. So अभी हमें ना, हमें लगता है affirmations वही हैं जो हमें इस बुक ने बताई हैं. But anytime, every time, whatever you're saying to yourself is your self-talk, is your affirmations, whether negative or positive. This book is only teaching us, I'm sorry, to use only positive sentences, positive conversations. And if you remember, in magic also, हम जब भी कुछ बात करते थे, जब भी हम अपने ड्रीम्स भी लिखते थे या हम अपनी लाइफ के बारे में कुछ भी बात करते थे, तो आई वी ऑलवेज यूज टू प्रैक्टिस यूजिंग द पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स, पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस. या बिकॉज हमने सीक्रेट में भी सुना था और हमने पिक्चर में भी देखा कि जब भी हम नेगेटिव बोलते हैं, जहां पर भी हम नो बोलते हैं, वो यूनिवर्स को नो नहीं सुनाई देता. लाइक इफ आई से आई डोंट वांट हेडेक, सो वो डोंट तो उसको सुनाई नहीं देगा. इट सेज आई वांट हेडेक, तो हेडेक ही मिलता है हमें. तो whenever we want to say something, we should be using only the positive side of it, what we really want in our life, right? जब हमने हेल्थ के बारे में बोला या मनी के बारे में भी बोला, तो we actually switched the same thing into positivity. Yeah, instead of saying मेरा बीपी नॉर्मल हो जाए, I mean I would like to say अगर मेरा बीपी नॉर्मल हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा? I'll be healthy. So thank you for giving me a good health. Yeah, that is how we used to frame ourselves, sentences. Similarly, जो हम अपने आप को सारा दिन बोलते रहते हैं, वो हमारी affirmations बन जाती हैं. But to convert those affirmations into positive affirmations, whenever there is a self-talk where you are using negative things, start saying it in a positive manner. जैसे उसने भी बताया है यहाँ पर, I am capable of capable person, rather than saying कि तेरे बस का नहीं है, तुझसे नहीं होगा. And it is also talking about people who use should and have. Have नहीं लिखा उसने, have to and should. Have and should जो है ना, ये words जो हैं, ये एक condition है, ये तो तुझे करना ही पड़ेगा. ये एक तरह का हमारा एक mindset set कर देता है, rigid बना देता है हमें. And then we start looking at things like it should be like this only. How come it is not like this? और वो हमें फिर वहां पे हमें परेशानी शुरू हो जाती है. तो अगर आप वो शुड को छोड़ दोगे, शुड की जगह पे जो भी वर्ड आपके सेंटेंस जो भी आपके पास आ रहा है उस टाइम पे, यू शुड हैव डन दिस, उसको आप पॉजिटिविटी में कैसे कन्वर्ट करके एक अफर्मेशन बना सकते हो, विच इज गोइंग टू गिव यू पावर, विच इज गोइंग टू गिव यू जॉय. आपने उसकी प्रैक्टिस करनी है. तो आज का जो उन्होंने अफर्मेशन आपको दिया है वो क्या है? I release all the negative messages from the past. क्योंकि अभी इस सेशन में भी जो बात हो रही है उससे पहले तक का जो भी है वो पास्ट ही तो है. पास्ट doesn't mean कि बचपन में जो हुआ. Past is whatever has happened just a moment ago. तो अभी तक जो भी हमारा पास्ट में जो भी नेगेटिव मैसेजेस हमने अपने आप को दिए हैं, जो हम अपनी सेल्फ टॉक करते हैं, उसको हम रिलीज कर रहे हैं. दिस इज द अफर्मेशन यू आर सपोज्ड टू यूज टुडे. लाइक वी यूज्ड आई एम ओपन एंड receptive. Then we said I am beautiful, amazing, and easy to love. Yeah, and I'm deserving. That's what we said till yesterday. So today we are going to say this. I am releasing all the negative messages from the past and I'll live in the present moment. तो ये आपने आज से बोलना है, आज पूरा दिन यही बोलना है अपने आप को. मतलब इसको मिरर प्रैक्टिस में नहीं करना है, ये तो हर टाइम बोलना है आपको. बिकॉज जितना आप इसको बोलोगे उतना ही अपने पास्ट के नेगेटिव मैसेजेस को आप रिलीज करना शुरू करोगे. राइट? सो लेट्स लुक एट द एक्सरसाइज फॉर टुडे.
Day 3 mirror work exercise. 1. Stand or sit in front of your bathroom mirror. 2. Look into your eyes. 3. Say this affirmation. Whatever I say to myself, I will say it with love. 4. Keep repeating it. Whatever I say to myself in this mirror, I will say it with love. 5. Is there a statement that you heard as a child that still sticks in your head? Maybe something like, you are stupid, or you are not good enough, or whatever else comes to my mind. Take time to work with negative statements and turn them into positive affirmations. I am smart. I am more intelligent than I realized. I am a genius with an abundance of creative ideas. I am a magnificent person. I am lovable. I am worth loving.
Yeah. So अभी आज जो करना है उसमें सबसे पहले तो I mean you have to stand in front of the mirror or sit in front of the mirror, और जो मिरर में दिखाई दे रहा है उस इंसान की आंखों में देखना है. And what you're supposed to say is, whatever I say to myself, I will say it with love. तो आप जब मिरर में देख रहे हो तो whatever I'm saying to myself in this mirror, I will say it with love. पहले वाले में मिरर नहीं है, सेकंड वाले सेंटेंस में मिरर है. ओके, तो दोनों सेंटेंस बोलने हैं. एंड देन यू हैव टू स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट इट कि आपका जो नेगेटिव कोई भी ऐसा है, आपका सेल्फ टॉक जो है, जैसे मेरा आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ, या बाकी सब बहुत अच्छा कर लेते हैं, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता, आई एम नॉट इंटेलिजेंट इनफ. तो अगर मेरा वो सेल्फ टॉक है तो उसको मैंने कन्वर्ट करना है इनटू अ पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस. और मेरे लिए पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस क्या है? I am intelligent, or whatever comes to my mind, I will think about it. तो आपने अपने लिए कोई एक ऐसा पॉजिटिव अफर्मेशन क्रिएट करना है which is totally opposite of what you feel about yourself. जो नेगेटिव सेल्फ टॉक आपकी अपने बारे में है उसको पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट करके आपने अपने लिए एक अफर्मेशन बनाना है जो आपको हमेशा आपके दिमाग में चलती रहती है। जैसे मेरे लिए सेल्फ वर्थ का है ये, दैट आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ, तो मैं उसके ऊपर काम कर रही हूँ, तो मैं उसके लिए एक अफर्मेशन बनाऊंगी। जस्ट टेक वन ऑफ इट टुडे। एक तो आपने वही बोलना है दैट व्हाटएवर आई एम सेइंग, व्हाटएवर आई से टू माई सेल्फ, आई से इट विद लव। व्हाटएवर आई से टू माई सेल्फ इन द मिरर, आई से इट विद लव। ये तो है ही है। उसके बाद तीसरा आपने अपने लिए एक नया क्रिएट करना है, जो भी आपकी सेल्फ टॉक सबसे ऊपर दिमाग में सबसे पहले आती है, आपने उसके ऊपर काम करके एक सेंटेंस बनाना है which is positive and use it as a affirmation. Yeah, point number 6. Yeah, Almas.
Point number 6, choose one or two of these new positive affirmations and say them over and over again. Keep saying them until you feel comfortable with them. 7. Each time you pass a mirror or see your reflection in a window throughout the day, stop and repeat these loving affirmations.
ओके, सो अभी जैसे फर्स्ट डे वाला था, आपके 3 सेंटेंसेस थे, कल आपका 2 सेंटेंसेस थे, आज आपके 2 सेंटेंसेस तो ये हैं that whatever I say to myself, I say it with love. Whatever I say to myself in the mirror, I say it with love. I will say it with love. And एक और दो आप अपने जो affirmations बनाएंगे, आपका जो सेल्फ टॉक है, जो सबसे पहले आपके दिमाग में आता है, उसको लेकर जो आप अपना affirmation बनाएंगे, आपने इन सबको बार बार बोलना है। या एंड whenever you're crossing a mirror के सामने देख के भी बोल दीजिए। अदरवाइज ऑल्सो कीप रिपीटिंग दोस affirmations जो आपने अपने लिए क्रिएट किए हैं। फर्स्ट 2 वाले सिर्फ मिरर के सामने बोलने हैं, बाकी जो आप अपने लिए क्रिएट कर रहे हो आप पूरा दिन भी बोल सकते हो। एंड whenever you're speaking in front of the mirror also, you can repeat those also, right? So these are the exercises for today. So let's see the power within. Yeah. Yeah, Almas, please read.
The power is within you. Your day 3 journaling exercise. Did you repeat a negative story today? Write down how many times you repeated it and how many people you told it to. Now, write down something positive you can tell those people tomorrow that will help them feel better about themselves and everyone around them.
Just read this again, please.
Yeah. Did you repeat a negative story today? Write down how many times you repeated it and how many people you told it to. Now, write down something positive you can tell those people tomorrow that will help them feel better about themselves and everyone around them.
Okay, now when we were talking about negative story, it was about about other people. किसी के साथ कुछ हुआ और उसने आपको बताया, आपने उसको किसी और को बताया, पता तेरे को क्या हुआ उसके साथ, उसने ना ऐसे किया या उसकी फैमिली में ऐसे हुआ। या सो व्हाट नेगेटिव स्टोरी आपने कितने लोगों के साथ शेयर करी आज, आपने कितनी बार दिन में वो बात बोली। या एंड देन राइट डाउन समथिंग व्हिच इज पॉजिटिव अबाउट दैट थिंग। या जैसे मैंने अपने फ्रेंड के बारे में बताया कि नेगेटिव स्टोरी वाज दैट एंजाइटी हो रही है, एवरीबॉडी इज ऑन होल्ड, इन लाइफ इज ऑन होल्ड, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, सब लोग सिर्फ ये सोच रहे हैं हाय पता नहीं कब प्रॉब्लम आ जाए, हाय पता नहीं कब उसको लेके जाना पड़ जाए। So that is a negative story, right? Now, how can we convert it to a positive story? Everybody is so excited about the new baby, like which is about to come in their lives. So that is a positive story. They're excited and happy, full of joy about, waiting for the bundle of joy to come into their lives. So this is a positive story about the same thing. So इसी तरह से आपने आज पूरा दिन किसके बारे में, मतलब देखा जाए तो आपने किसके बारे में चुगली करी, किसकी आपने निंदा करी, बेसिकली वही है। तो आपने देखना है आपने किस 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 की स्टोरी को आज इतने लोगों के साथ बांटा, Okay, we all enjoy doing gossip. I mean, I तो enjoy doing gossip. I will not say I don't enjoy doing gossip, but वो gossip में आपने कितने लोगों के साथ एक negative story शेयर करी है आज, उस चीज को आपने याद रखना है जर्नलिंग करते टाइम, और उसको आप पॉजिटिव में कैसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं and share the same story with those people again tomorrow so that everybody starts feeling better. अगर मैं यही बात जब आपसे शेयर कर रही हूँ कि they all are feeling so excited and joyous about the new person going to be in their life, you know, so this is something which is positive. If I go and tell them, and if I tell everybody who I have already shared this, the experience will be totally different for them and the people around them. Are you getting it? अगर यही स्टोरी को मैं उनको दोबारा से बोलूंगी, मैं अपने फ्रेंड को फोन करके बोलती हूँ क्या, I was just thinking, aren't you people so excited about it? You know, there's going to be a new baby in the house. Life is going to be so much joyful and all. And you will experience. मैं जब बोल रही हूँ तो I can experience कि उनके घर का पूरा environment ही change हो जाएगा. Everybody will start feeling excited about it rather than feeling anxious about it. I can visualize it right now. So that is what you're supposed to do. Okay, right. Now, point number 2.
Point number 2, write down the word should. Next to it, make a list of words to use instead. You might start with the word could. Post.
Okay. अभी आपको ना जिंदगी में जितने भी shoulds हैं ना आपके, उनकी एक लिस्ट बनानी है. You shouldn't eat fast. You shouldn't कहते हैं उल्टा जवाब मत दो किसी को. You should not back talk, or you should not मतलब जो भी शुड्स आपके दिमाग में आते जाएंगे, जो जैसे हमें बताया गया है, तुम्हें ये नहीं करना चाहिए. You should not cross the red light. You should be polite to people. You should respect elders. ये सब शुड है ना हमारे. अब ये शुड की लिस्ट बना लो एंड उसके आगे लिखो कि शुड की जगह आप क्या यूज कर सकते हो. You should not cross the red light. इसके लिए कोई पॉजिटिव बताओ मुझे. शुड के बिना क्या यूज कर सकते हो? Everybody.
You could walk in a footpath.
No, I'm talking you should not cross the red light. Jump the red light.
Please wait when you see the red light.
Okay.
You could wait in a red light.
Okay.
Stop and until it turns green for you to go.
Yeah, great. So rather than using should, we can use something which is positive. Because should is something which is rigid, which doesn't say कि उसके आसपास कुछ हो सकता है. वो तो है, बस ऐसे ही करना है. But ऐसे क्यों करना है? उसको अगर हम positive तरीके से बोलें. So if you tell, like Archana, if you tell your son, you shouldn't do this. Tell me one sentence which you keep repeating to him.
You should always smile.
Okay. So instead of should, how can you say it to him now?
Daksh, you could smile and say this thing. It would
Keep
have been very
smiling.
beautiful.
Yeah.
It could be keep smiling.
Let
Smiling.
let her say. Yeah. Yeah, Archana.
Daksh, you could have smiled and said it would have been beautiful.
Okay. So instead of could, if you can reframe it again.
Daksh, you look very beautiful while smiling.
Yeah. So can you see the
I
difference?
love you when you smile it.
Can you see the difference in all the sentences and how the experience will change for you and for Daksh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that is what you're supposed to do. जितने भी should लिखते हो ना या should use करते हो, around your environment, आप जहाँ भी converse करते time should use करते हो, वहाँ should की जगह पे आप क्या use कर सकते हो? Just write down couple of them. You don't have to make a long list. जो बहुत commonly use करते हो, उस should को replace करने के लिए क्या use कर सकते हो? You have to write that also in the journal. Yeah? Yeah, Almas, please continue.
Yeah. Point 3. Post several of the new positive affirmations you learned today on your mirror so you can practice them whenever you see them.
Yeah.
Your heart.
1 second.
Yeah.
You remember that, sorry, when we were doing the health chapter in the magic, there was one sentence which is still written on my bathroom mirror. And you know what happened? जब मेरे यहाँ पे पूजा हुई अभी 17th को, my niece had come with her children and lots of people had come. So she's got a daughter who's around 5 years old. And my nephew also came. उसकी भी 2 बेटियां हैं, एक 3 साल की है और एक 6 साल की है. So they all went to the bathroom and they were all standing there ऐसे मम्मी के साथ दोनों खड़े थे. And they were reading it aloud. And बाहर आके मेरी niece मुझे कहती है, मासी आपके positive affirmations हमारे बच्चे भी रट के आ गए. Do you remember which was that?
The gift of health is keeping us alive.
Yes, the gift of health is keeping me alive. So that is still there on my mirror. Yeah. So similarly it is saying कि आपके जो भी positive affirmations हैं जो आपने बनाए हैं, you can paste it or post it on your mirror. आप अपने mirror पे उसको लगा के रख सकते हो ताकि आपको याद ना भी रहे. तो every time you are facing that mirror, आप mirror में देख रहे हो तो आपको सामने दिख जाए ना, you can just repeat it. Isn't it easy? एक post-it पे लिख के लगा दो.
Yeah.
मेरे घर में अगर आप आओगे ना तो मेरी जगह जगह लगा रखे हैं पोस्टेड. आई एम अ सेक्सी दीवा. एंड I'm not ashamed of it. हाँ, मेरे घर में सब तरह के लोग आते हैं और मेरे जगह जगह पे वो पोस्टेड लगा हुआ है. Yeah, so that is how you can do it. You can just write it on a post-it or write it on a piece of paper and just stick it on your bathroom mirror. जो भी affirmations आप कर रहे हो, you can just write it there. अभी के जो याद हो गए उनकी तो जरूरत नहीं है. जो आपने 3-4 नए बनाने हैं आज अपने, जो आपकी सेल्फ टॉक से कनेक्टेड है, उसको आप लिख सकते हो. Right? Yeah, please continue.
Okay. Your heart thought for day 3. I always have a choice. Most of us have foolish ideas about who we are and many rigid rules about how life should be lived. Let's remove the word should from our vocabulary forever. Should is a word that makes prisoners of us. Every time we use should, we are making ourselves wrong or someone else wrong. We are, in effect, saying not good enough. What can be dropped now from your should list? Replace the word should with the word could. Could lets you know that you have a choice, and choice is freedom. We need to be aware that everything we do in life is done by choice. There is really nothing we have to do. We always have a choice.
Yes. So this is what I also mentioned to one of the participants today, that you always have a choice. Okay. So when you say should, that means this is the only way to do it, right? That makes you a prisoner. There's no freedom to act because this is how it is supposed to be done. This is the only way. But the moment you replace should with could, there's a choice. Like Archana was saying, I will tell Daksh, you could have smiled and said it. So there's a choice. He could have smiled or he could have not smiled. The choice is his. Similarly, when we replace should with could, we actually get that freedom to choose. कि हमें क्या करना है? Isn't it?
Yeah.
There's nothing we have to do it. अभी मैंने इसीलिए बोला था have to and should. अभी यहाँ पे सिर्फ वो should की बात करें तो let's talk only about should. Should को replace करके could करना जहां पर भी should है and see how it gives you freedom to choose. And when you start living life like that and you start speaking like that around you, you will see the transformation in the environment also. Yeah. So the hard thought for today is I always have a choice, which you always have, by the way. आपके पास हमेशा है और आप चूज भी करते हो. But the moment you say should, experience ये होता है कि नहीं है choice. Because अगर आपको लाइफ में बोल दिया आपके मदर ने कि you should have done this, और जब आप कर भी रहे हो ना तो आपकी चॉइस है कि आपने मान ली वो बात और आपने कर लिया. बट उस शुड वाला वर्ड जो है ना वो आपको वहां पे एक रिस्ट्रिक्शन डाल देता है कि यही करना है, पूरी लाइफ यही करना है तुझे. उस मोमेंट में शायद वो ठीक भी होता बट वो आपके लिए वो शुड बन गया. That has been running your life. Now is the chance for you to replace the should with could and start looking at the choices life is giving you. Right? So आज आपने ये
Ma'am, it happens as if someone has imposed, like,
Yeah.
zabardasti ho jati hai. And
वही
I
तो.
have noticed, like, just because we have done magic, many times when I say, Daksh, you could have done this, the moment ही उसका expression change हो जाता है, and he smiles and he says, okay, मैं कर लेता हूँ. He says like that.
Yeah.
So it's actually very beautiful if we use this word.
Yeah. And just imagine the experience Daksh has.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And the kind of, the kind of self-talk you are giving him right now. We don't realize that the kind of experience we are giving to the child or the people around us is what is actually giving them their self-talk also. Because वो उनके belief बन जाएंगे ना.
Yes, ma'am.
If you tell Daksh, you should do this, you should always obey your elders. वो उसके लिए self talk बन गया कि authority को obey ही करना है हमेशा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then the moment you say you could always obey your you could always respect your elders. Yeah. तो उसके पास एक choice है. वो ये नहीं कि रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करेगा बट उसको पता है कि ये शुड वाली बात नहीं है कि मुझे करना ही है. कभी वो अपना डिसएग्रीमेंट शो नहीं कर पाएगा अगर वो शुड पे चलेगा. तो अगर आप उसको कुड बोलोगे तो इफ सम टाइम ही इज नॉट in alignment with what you are saying, he will have that liberty, that freedom to share it with you. Hey mama, I can do it this way also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, mama, do you think I can do it this way also? Can I do it like this also? He will be able to speak that. And over a period of time, his characteristics, his attributes, his life will start turning around like that. वो कहीं भी authority पे should पे नहीं रुकेगा. He would be able to voice his disagreement or opinion in a different way. उसके लिए वो एक full stop नहीं हो जाएगा. उसके लिए वो एक comma होगा to think and go forward. You getting that point?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is why the moment आज से जब आप अपने आप को should के जितने भी आपके जहां आप should use करते हो उसको replace करके mindfully जितनी बार भी बोलने लगोगे, हो सकता है हर बार ना याद रहे, जितनी बार भी आप अपने आप को कैच कर पाओगे और इसको रिप्लेस कर लोगे could से या किसी और वर्ड से, could से कर लोगे फिलहाल, तो you will find the environment around you will start changing. There will be a lot of freedom. आपको एक्सपीरियंस होगा वो फ्रीडम आसपास. वो रिजिडिटी महसूस नहीं होगी. ऐसे नहीं लगेगा कि the air is very heavy or the environment is very heavy. होता है ना ऐसा कभी कभी,
Yes, ma'am.
लगता है कि बहुत सारा heaviness हो रही है आसपास. ये
Ma'am,
heaviness
a small sharing regarding this, ma'am.
yeah.
Like yesterday or day before yesterday, I told my son Daksh that Daksh, you know, I should not get angry these days. I really get angry in small things, and मैं बहुत चिल्लाती रहती हूँ तुम्हारे बारे में, and then I cry. I really feel bad कि मैं बहुत चिल्लाती हूँ. Then his reply was like, it was like a hammer to my head. He told me, मम्मा आप वापस क्लास कर रहे हैं ना मॉर्निंग में, मैजिक बुक कर रहे हैं ना, छोड़ दो मैजिक बुक, मत करो, देख लो क्या करना है. जब आपको एंग्री होना है तो मैजिक बुक क्यों कर रहे हैं? आई वाज सरप्राइज्ड मैम. इट वाज लाइक कि now he is making me aware that what you are practicing you should be aware of it.
Yes.
I was surprised.
So that is what the environment, starts changing around you. So when you will stop using should, मतलब मैंने खुद एक्सपीरियंस किया है, जब आपको लगता है ना बहुत सारी अथॉरिटेटिव चीजें चल रही हैं आसपास, शुड इज अथॉरिटी ओनली ना यार, एक तरह से एक रूल बना दिया यही फॉलो होना है, राइट? तो जब वो उस तरह का माहौल होता है ना आसपास, तो आपको बहुत घुटन महसूस होनी शुरू हो जाती है, बहुत हैवीनेस महसूस होने लगता है, आपको पूरे एयर में हैवीनेस महसूस होता है. आपने कभी महसूस किया होगा कि आई मीन आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट व्हेन यू आर सिटिंग इन अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, जैसे कहीं पे कुछ फंक्शन चल रहा है, कुछ लोग एक झुंड बना के बैठे, कोई इधर बैठे, कोई किसी एक झुंड में आप जाओगे ना तो आपको लगेगा यार भागो यहाँ से, आई डोंट वांट टू स्टे हियर. And there are some people there who are enjoying and laughing and all. You want to go and sit there, even if you're not participating, because there's lightness there. But जहाँ पे बहुत heavy बातें हो रही होंगी, नहीं उसको तो ऐसे ही करना चाहिए था, ऐसा क्या करना चाहिए था, should. जब ऐसी बातें हो रही होती है ना, you start feel suffocating. So stop suffocating yourself and stop suffocating people around you. You don't even realize with your should, you are suffocating people around you. So give them a breeze, now fresh breeze of air, give them some lightness, and you feel lightness in your life. Yeah. So that is about today's chapter. Let's do the meditation now. And if somebody knows how to share the audio on the Zoom, please get in touch with me after the session and teach me how to do it. Otherwise, we'll continue with the same. I will share the meditation on the group and you can listen to it from there. And do listen to it after doing the journaling before going to bed. And aaj ka journaling bahut important hai. And please get into the habit of journaling every night before going to bed, because that is the key. Yes, along with the mirror exercise, that is going to give you the key to be, connected to your own self. क्योंकि अगर आप वो नहीं करोगे ना, तो जो पुराने आपके सेल्फ टॉक्स हैं उसको आप छोड़ ही नहीं पाओगे. अब उसको छोड़ नहीं पाओगे तो मिरर एक्सरसाइज इफेक्टिव नहीं होगा. जब तक तो वो इफेक्टिव नहीं होगा तो लाइफ में कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. तो जर्नलिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इफ यू आर डूइंग दिस बुक, एंड दिस बुक इज ओनली फॉर यू, यू आर नॉट डूइंग इट फॉर एनीबडी एल्स. अगर आप अपने आप से कनेक्ट होना चाहते हो तो इतना टाइम अपने लिए निकालना ही है. जैसे आप सुबह के लिए सेशन के लिए निकाल रहे हो, इससे तो आधा भी नहीं लगने वाला, आधे से भी कम लगेगा. वो टाइम भी अपने लिए निकालना है आपको रात को. या please do that if you really are committed to getting connected to yourself. I can only say karna to aap hi ko hai. Yeah, let's do the meditation part of it. Almas, can you please do that? Yeah.
Yes.
And do it the way you did it yesterday.
Yes.
Which was wonderful. It was really wonderful.
Yeah. Thank you. Your day 3 meditation. You deserve love. See yourself surrounded by love. See yourself happy and healthy.
Pause. I want everybody to sit straight with their spine straight and close your eyes while Almas is speaking this. You don't have to read it, just listen to it, and listen to it with your full attention. आंखें बंद करके, spine straight करके, just listen to it. Yeah, please start again.
See yourself surrounded by love. See yourself happy and healthy and whole. See your life as you would like it to be. Putting in all the details, know that you deserve it. Then take the love from your heart and let it begin to flow, filling your body with healing energies. Let your love flow around the room and around your home until you are in an enormous circle of love. Feel the love circulating so that as it goes out from you, it returns to you. Love is the most powerful healing force there is. Let it wash through your body. You are love, and so it is.
Love is the most powerful healing force there is. Let it wash through you, your body. You are love, and so it is. Thank you so much, Almas, for such a wonderful reading of the session. And
Thank you.
yeah, and see, I just want each one of you to know that, you know, every day it is going to be little, I will not say difficult, because difficult is a word which is bring that kind of a picture in your mind, because mind think only in pictures. जब हमारे brain में जो भी हम कुछ बोलते हैं उसकी एक picture बन जाती है. And so the moment I will say it's difficult, to difficult की picture आ जाएगी, so I know it's not difficult. It's going to be more deeper every day. And we need to put that extra effort every day. So if you are committed to yourself, if you're really committed to get in touch with your own self, I think it's high time we did that, no? So if you are really committed to do that, then please do take out time for the mirror work as well as for the journaling, because journaling is very important. Because I am also doing it for the first time, and every time we are reading the book and we are doing the journaling, it is actually जैसे होता है ना, वो डीप रूटेड चीजें जो हमारे अंदर छुपी बैठी हैं, जो हमें आगे नहीं बढ़ने दे रही हैं, उनको निकाल रही है ये. और जब तक हम उनको निकालेंगे नहीं ना, तो हम अपने आप से कनेक्ट नहीं हो पाएंगे, बिकॉज इतनी सारी लेयर्स हमारे ऊपर जम चुकी हैं कि हमारा ट्रू सेल्फ क्या है, हम उससे कनेक्ट ही नहीं हो पाएंगे. सो ये डी लेयरिंग हो रही है. जो कल का सेशन था, उसका जो जर्नलिंग था, आज का जो जर्नलिंग सेशन है, उसमें आपने जो लिखना है, वो हमारे ऊपर जो इतनी परतें हमने जमा रखी है ना, कि हम अपना असली स्वरूप, अपना असली अस्तित्व ही नहीं जानते हैं. उसको जानने के लिए हमारे लिए ये करना बहुत जरूरी है. सो आई एम अर्जिंग यू टू प्लीज डू इट एवरी सिंगल डे. और सब कुछ करने के बाद अपने लिए इतना टाइम जरूर निकालना है. कभी मत बोलना कि मैं बहुत थक गई थी या मेरे पास टाइम नहीं था, because if you don't have time for yourself now, you will never have it. because this book is giving you that access to reach out to your true self. और ये बार बार नहीं होता है, ये बार बार नहीं होती, ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं मिलती हैं, अदरवाइज लाइफ जस्ट टेक्स ओवर यार। कभी ये आ गया, कभी वो आ गया, कभी ये प्रॉब्लम है, कभी वो प्रॉब्लम, तो चलती रहेंगी, दैट इज लाइफ। बट इफ यू रियली committed to yourself, then please, I'm urging you to do this exercise every night before going to bed. मिरर एक्सरसाइज तो आप कर लोगे, मुझे पता है, पर ये जो थोड़ा डीप सर्चिंग होती है ना, डीप डाइविंग होती है अपने अंदर, वो करने में हम हिचकिचाते हैं, जो हमें आदत नहीं है, बट अब इसकी आदत डाल लो। सो स्टार्ट डिगिंग डीपर, एंड ये धीरे धीरे से निकालना शुरू करो। जब ये निकलेंगे तभी आप मिरर में जो बंदा है उसके साथ एक हो पाओगे, राइट? So that is what I wanted to say for today. Anybody wants to say anything before we conclude the session, about the session or about anything you want to share or say? My stage is all yours.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
When we I have a question. So when we write this journal, तो हमने किस चीज का ध्यान रखना है?
1 second, yeah, there's some noise in the background.
Okay.
Yeah, please speak.
So when we write this journal, तो
Yeah.
like इसमें क्या कोई particular way भी है, जैसे हम मैजिक बुक करते थे, तो उसमें we write thank you, thank you, thank you.
No, there's no particular way.
Okay.
The way the question is asked, you can just write it.
Okay.
Yeah. There's no
Right.
particular way.
Okay.
Yeah.
अच्छा,
But करना जरूर।
हाँ जी, जैसे कल मैं मिरर एक्सरसाइज कर रहा था,
जी।
तो थॉट वाज कमिंग टू माइंड, यार ये तो मैं पहले बहुत बार कर चुका हूँ, अब मैं फिर से ऐसे कर रहा हूँ, तो इससे होने वाला क्या है? तो वो
हाँ, ये तो
कॉन्वर्सेशन
आएंगे।
मेरे को स्टॉप कर रही है।
ये थॉट्स तो आएंगे ही ना, ये थॉट्स तो आएंगे ही, बिकॉज वो तो आपने जब फर्स्ट डे वाला शायद सुना नहीं है, उसमें बुक में बड़ी क्लियरली लिखा है लूजी है ने कि आपके पास में दिमाग में ही आएगा, इससे क्या होने वाला है, बट कीप डूइंग इट बिकॉज शी सेड इतने लोगों की लाइफ में बहुत कुछ फर्क पड़ा इससे, दैट इज व्हाई that she had written this book, and she said I'm 100% sure it is going to make a difference. Just hang on there.
Right.
खुद को लगता है कि I mean as you feel that ये क्या stupid thing कर रहा है, या silly लग रहा है, या सामने खड़े होके मिरर के ही बोल रहा हूँ मैं, क्या फर्क पड़ेगा इससे? पर पड़ेगा फर्क. Just give yourself some time. Yeah, and do it with full this thing, faith के होगा.
Okay.
Yeah, because वो intention तो वही है ना हमारी. जब हमारी intention वही है, with that intention, when you keep doing it, it will start showing results. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Thank you.
Any other question anybody has?
Ma'am, I want to share something, ma'am.
Yeah, Archana.
Ma'am, when I was doing the journaling last night, I felt as if, we judge ourselves according to the perception of others. It's not like that we never look into our own self. We always, whatever people have said, we do that. We think that. Not even the way we dress. Oh, usne mujhe bol diya, the way he said it's not looking good. We don't wear those clothes also. So I really felt that, instead of just listening to others, we should listen to ourselves, our own self. I felt that. This one thing I realized after doing the journaling. And one more thing, when I was saying myself in the mirror, like when you say it them slowly, then those feelings do not come, ma'am. But when I smile, I look into my eyes deeper, and then I frown my eyebrows, smile deeper, then feelings really becomes better, I feel. So just a suggestion, like to everyone, just sharing this, that if people smile, they look deeper into the eyes, closely, those frowning eyebrow, the energy level of the voice really gives you a lot of the feelings which should be which could be there rather.
Yeah, you said it. Yeah, and that is what the book has actually brought to our notice, that we have always been judging ourselves according to the perspective of other people. How people have been viewing us and been telling us how we look and how we should be doing things in life. And वही तो है. That's what the book said. That was their opinions. They were their perspectives. That is not the truth.
Okay.
It's time to know who we are. अपने आप को पहचानने का टाइम अब आया है. जब ये परतें हटेंगी तभी तो पहचान पाएंगे ना हम.
Okay.
So this is one thing which this third day of the session has made it very clear, that how we have been doing things is not what we wanted or what we are meant to do. We have been doing it according to what people have been telling us to do. And we have been judging ourselves according to them. Even to the extent of wearing clothes, or the way you do your hair, or the way you speak. Everything is according to what people feel ke hona chahiye, or how to get their approval or acceptance. We have been doing things only for that. But जब हम ये should की line बनाएंगे ना list, that will help us to understand कि हमको ये should में रहना नहीं है. We have a choice. और वो choice क्या है? वो उसकी positive way of looking at that will be what is going to be your affirmation, right? So it is going to be a little, that self, the soul searching. वो शुरू हो रहा है अब हमारा. वो soul searching हमें शुरू करनी है. Right? तभी बोल रही हूँ कि थोड़ा effort लगेगा initially. और जब थोड़ा सा effort लगेगा शुरू में अपने आप को कुरेदने में, तो मुश्किल लगेगा. But जैसे जैसे इसकी practice होती जाएगी, you will start enjoying it, because you will get that freedom. With every journaling, every exercise, you will feel slightly lighter. आपको थोड़ा सा हल्का महसूस होना शुरू हो जाएगा. With every exercise, you will start feeling lighter and feel more connected to yourself. आपको मिरर में अपनी आंखों में देखकर बोलने में मुश्किल नहीं होगी जितनी पहले दिन हुई या कल हुई. धीरे-धीरे आपको उससे बातें करना अच्छा लगने लगेगा. आप हर बात पे उससे जाके बात करना शुरू कर दोगे. आज पता है क्या हुआ? And you did so well, yaar. I'm so proud of yourself. You will start doing that. और अगर कुछ गलत हो गया, होता है यार लाइफ में ऐसा. Next time, do it better. You will start talking to yourself like that.
Yes.
Rather than feeling, तू तो है ही ऐसी, तेरे से तो होना ही नहीं था, मुझे पता ही था, तेरे बस की है ही नहीं. Instead of that, you will say, okay, होता है, that's learning. So next time we will do it better, isn't it? We can do it. That's it. तो ये changes आने शुरू हो जाएंगे.
Correct.
And that is what we are learning. Positive रहना है ना. Positive रहने के लिए affirmations जो है वो positive बनाने हैं. अपनी self talk को positive करना है. Self talk तो हम सारा दिन कर रहे हैं, but उसको catch करके उसको positive करना है, right? So that is what we're supposed to do. And yes, when you smile, आपका जब आप smile करते हो तो वो अंदर से आती है ना smile. वो connection बनाती है. Yeah, like yesterday when I said, when you're talking to yourself and you use your name, तो वो connection बनाता है. आप कहीं भी पे बाहर जाते हो, if you know somebody's name or the name tag is there, address that person with the name and then speak, and you will find the difference. So similarly, when you start looking at yourself smilingly, you will find the difference, right? Okay.
Yes,
Thank you so much, Archana, for sharing that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anybody else has to say anything?
I have a question, Jagji.
Yeah,
So the
Prabhu.
question is like this, So when we practice affirmation to ourselves, it is good. But when you try to be affirmative to other people, people think either you're egoistic or bragging. So how do we
Like what?
distinguish that?
Give me one example.
For example, I'll just talk about myself, what I'm doing in my project successfully. Suppose, I keep on bragging, or I'm actually giving affirmation there that, how I am good. I've done this, that, but people will not take it that way. People will think, oh, I'm bragging, I'm egoistic, I'm talking too much about myself. So how to make sure that, your affirmation to others is in a different way. It
So
doesn't give
right
them
now,
that feeling.
okay, so right now this book is talking about affirmations only to yourself and in
Yeah.
front of mirror. So you are supposed to do affirmations only to your own
To
self.
yourself.
These affirmations are for your own self. And it will start showing in the world. You don't have to say it. It will start showing in the world. When you start doing these affirmations to yourself, that I'm doing it so well, I'm so good at it, I'm so proud of yourself, of you in the mirror when you tell yourself, it will start showing in your persona.
Yeah.
You will not have to say to people that I've done it.
Yeah.
You will exude that.
Mm-hmm.
When you will walk, the aura around you will be like that. That people will say,
Yeah.
wow, yeah, this lady is phenomenal. Look at the kind of work she's doing in the project. Rather than you saying that.
Right.
So
Yeah.
you only have to fill yourself with that. Once you start actually affirming this and believing this in yourself, when you start looking in the mirror and saying it to yourself, it will start exuding from every, when you fill yourself with love, like the meditation says, you fill yourself with love. And then that love, when you send out, it comes back and multiplied. Yeah. Similarly, when you start filling yourself with affirmations of positivity, that positivity will start going out wherever you will go. And then it will come back, as in magic we say, what goes around comes around. And kitni feeling or thought and feelings के साथ आप उसको दे रहे हो, उतना ही वो multiply हो गया ना. So similarly, आप जब ये practice अपने साथ करना शुरू करोगे, and when over a period of time, when you get a real hang of it, how to do it, you will be more powerful in doing it. And that power, when you start doing it with yourself, that power will start showing out.
Yeah.
Experience you have shows out in the world, na?
Yeah.
The experience you have inside shows out outside. So you will not have to tell people. People will say about you. People will experience it in your presence. Right? I'm able to answer your question?
Sure. Yeah, it was good. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, anybody else? Okay, guys, go ahead and do your mirror practice and just love yourself. You're worth it. You deserve it. And just go ahead, love yourself, do the affirmations and do the journaling. And I will be posting the meditation in Lucy Hay's voice. So you can listen to that before going to bed. Or if you want, you can listen to it during the day also. And just enjoy doing it. And don't make it much of a should be kuch nahi hai yahan par. You have a choice. If you want to connect to yourself, you could do it. Yeah. So just enjoy yourself. Have fun doing it. Don't make it too much of a significance and too much of a burden for yourself. Have fun doing it. And when the book was talking about, whenever you're having a conversation with somebody, just try and catch the words that person is speaking and get the experience that person has in his life right now, his or her life. आपको पता चल जाएगा उसकी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है. Yeah, this is how we do it in the coaching also. देखो हमने आपको टिप दे दिया कोचिंग का. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Have fun. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.